How can I stop my gaming PC from overheating due to dust? Imagine your gaming computer as a high-performance engine that needs proper airflow to run smoothly. Over time, dust particles can accumulate inside the case, settling on components like the central processing unit and graphics processing unit. This buildup acts like a blanket, trapping heat and preventing cooling fans from doing their job effectively. When your computer overheats, it can lead to reduced performance, system crashes, or even hardware damage. Addressing this issue involves a combination of regular maintenance and proper setup. First, understanding the importance of airflow is crucial. Your gaming computer relies on intake fans to draw cool air into the case and exhaust fans to push warm air out. Dust accumulation can clog filters and settle on heatsinks and fans, impeding this airflow. To prevent this, start by turning off and unplugging your computer. Carefully open the case, following manufacturer instructions to avoid damaging any components. Use compressed air to blow dust out of all vents, heatsinks, fans, and filters. Hold the fans in place while cleaning to prevent them from spinning excessively, which could generate electrical backflow. Next, consider installing dust filters on all intake vents. These filters trap dust before it enters the case, making cleaning easier and more effective. Regularly check and clean these filters, ideally once a month, especially if you live in a dusty environment or have pets. Maintaining a clean environment around your computer also helps reduce dust ingress. Keep the area free of clutter and dust, and consider placing the PC in a location away from carpets or open windows. Additionally, ensure your cooling system is adequate for your gaming needs. High-performance gaming setups generate significant heat, so using high-quality fans or liquid cooling systems can help maintain optimal temperatures. Proper cable management inside the case improves airflow, preventing hot spots and ensuring that cool air reaches all components efficiently. Finally, monitor your system's temperature regularly using software tools. If temperatures rise above recommended levels, it's a sign that cleaning or cooling upgrades are needed. By combining routine cleaning, environmental control, and effective cooling solutions, you can significantly reduce dust-related overheating and keep your gaming PC running smoothly for longer periods.